so this is going to be the tutorial on how to hack that swipe up feature and actually pull your audience to whatever link that you're trying to pull them to. Now I've already done my call to action video. If you don't know what a call to action video is, just DM me, message me, or comment and let me know, and I'll give you some more clarification. But for this video purpose, I've already done my call to action. So here is how you utilize the swipe up feature as if you have those, 10,000 or more followers. As you can see, you saw I'm at 6,062. So let's say I want to say, learn how. I'm in my IG stories and I'm making a short little IG on how to hack the swipe up feature without 10K followers. Coincidentally enough, you gotta swipe up to find out. Haha. So I'm gonna add a GIF, a swipe up GIF. So I'm gonna type swipe, and let's say I want to use this GIF. Swipe up to find out. I want that down here. Okay. So you're gonna have to swipe up to find out, but for our purposes, so this is going to be my Insta story, and this is where I'm going to actually link my call to action video. You can only link things that you have an IGTV video for. Okay, so I have a few videos, but this is the most recent one that I've done, and that's the one I want to link to because that's my call to action video. It's going to say call to action added. So I want to add that in there. And so we will go back to my stories and you'll be able to actually see how it works. So you're going to swipe up. It's going to go directly to my IGTV video.
And frustrating it is when
and
you
all
grow
that
your
we need
IG
to do,
page and you
click
really
here
want
for
to
the
take
hack.
advantage
You see
of
that
the
at the
items
top?
and things that
I'm linking people to where I want to take them. See? So when I upload this video, now this is linking to a strategy session with me on my Calendly app, but once I actually upload the YouTube videos for the tutorial, I'll go back and actually link this exact tutorial. So it will take people exactly where I want them. So this is totally cool. And if you have any questions, feel free to DM me, message me, comment, anything. I'm here. Again, it's your girl Social Pal Cal, and make sure you're following me or subscribe to my page. Bye.